The forthcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to redefine the landscape of lightweight drones, offering a blend of advanced features and portability that caters to both novice enthusiasts and seasoned professionals. With anticipated enhancements in camera technology, flight performance, and intelligent capabilities, this model stands as a testament to DJI's commitment to innovation. Camera advancements, a leap in imaging quality. At the heart of the Mini 5 Pro's upgrades lies its camera system. Rumors suggest the inclusion of a larger 1-inch sensor, a significant step up from its predecessor's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This enhancement promises improved image quality, better low-light performance, and the ability to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second. Additionally, the camera is expected to support HDR video, providing richer color and contrast in various lighting conditions. Flightpath, +4. Gadget Byte Nepal, +4. Loyalty Drones, +4. Loyalty Drones. An innovative gimbal design is also anticipated, allowing for vertical shooting modes optimized for social media content creation. This feature could enable users to capture dynamic shots with ease, enhancing the overall creative experience. Loyalty Drones, +3. Flightpath, +3. DroneXL.co, +3. Extended flight time, more air time for creativity. Battery life has always been a critical factor for drone users, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to address this with significant improvements. Leaks indicate a potential flight time of up to 50 minutes, surpassing the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. This extended duration allows for longer shooting sessions without the constant need to recharge, providing greater flexibility for capturing the perfect shot. Hobbytech.in, +7. Loyalty Drones, +7. Gadgets in Nepal, +7. Advanced obstacle avoidance, safer flights. Safety is paramount in drone operations, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature an advanced obstacle avoidance system. Leaks suggest the inclusion of LiDAR technology, which would enhance the drone's ability to detect and avoid obstacles in its path. This system could provide 360-degree awareness, making flying in complex environments safer and more accessible, even for new pilots. Loyalty Drones, +1. Gadgets in Nepal, +1. Design and portability, compact yet powerful. Maintaining the Mini series tradition, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be lightweight and portable, weighing under 250 grams. This design ensures compliance with drone regulations in many regions, allowing users to fly without special registration. Despite its compact size, the drone is anticipated to house stronger, vented motors, potentially improving flight stability and efficiency. DroneXL.co, +3. Gadgets in Nepal, +3. Hobbytech.in, +3. Loyalty Drones. Intelligent flight features, smarter drone experience. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come equipped with a suite of intelligent flight modes, including enhanced versions of Active Track, Quick Shots, and Panorama modes. These features could make it easier than ever to create dynamic, professional-looking content with just a few taps on your smartphone. Additionally, the integration of AI-powered tracking capabilities is expected, allowing the drone to follow fast-moving subjects more accurately, further enhancing its autonomous flying experience. Gadget Byte Nepal. Pricing and availability. What to expect. While official pricing has yet to be confirmed, industry watchers anticipate the Mini 5 Pro to command a premium over its predecessor. The base price is rumored to be around €900, with an optional Fly More combo estimated at €1,199, which includes additional accessories for extended use. DroneXL.co, +1. DroneXL.co, +1. Drone Nomad. As for availability, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in late 2025, aligning with DJI's typical release schedule for new drone models. This timeline suggests that the Mini 5 Pro will be available for purchase in the coming months, barring any unforeseen delays. Conclusion: a game-changer in the drone market. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the drone market, offering a combination of advanced features, improved performance, and portability. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture stunning aerial footage or a professional seeking a reliable and versatile drone, the Mini 5 Pro promises to meet a wide range of needs. With its anticipated upgrades, it stands as a testament to DJI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology.